Hello students, this is your science class and the topic today which we are going to study is galaxies and life cycle of the star, page 133 of your book, chapter investigating this space. First of all, we will discuss the basic terms. Light year. A light year is a measure of distance that light covers in 1 year with a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. Galaxy. A galaxy is a very large group of stars, nebulae, which is a cloud of gas and dust in the outer space and planets. A galaxy may contain billions of stars. Example, our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Constellation. A constellation is a group of stars with a definite pattern or arrangement. In this diagram, you can see that there is a definite pattern of the stars. Examples are Big Dipper and Leo. Next we come to the topic types of galaxies. There are generally 3 types of the galaxies: spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies and irregular galaxies. First of all, we will see the shapes of different galaxies. Spiral galaxies, they have flat disc like shape with bulge in the center. And elliptical galaxies, they are oval in shape. Irregular galaxies, they don't have any shape. Now we will see the rotation of different types of galaxies. In spiral galaxies, they rotate around their axis. In elliptical galaxy, they do not rotate around their axis. Irregular galaxies, they are very small galaxies near the Milky Way. Here is the illustration of the 3 different types of the galaxies: spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies and irregular galaxies. In the spiral galaxies, you can see that the flat disk with the bulge in the center is present. Elliptical galaxies, they are oval in shape, and irregular galaxies, they don't have any shape. Okay, the next topic is life cycle of the stars. The life cycle of the star is divided into the 2 stages. 2 main stages are birth stage and death stage. Birth stage is further divided into nebulae, protostar, and it ends up with the formation of a star. Death stage start from the red giant stage, then the dwarf stage, which is divided into 2 categories: white dwarfs and black dwarf. Basically, the stars are divided into low medium mass stars and high mass stars. First of all, we will discuss the life cycle of the low medium mass stars, which are also called sun-like stars. The life cycle starts with the birth of the star, nebulae. Stars are born in nebulae and it collects dust and gases while traveling through the space. The next stage is protostar. It is a spinning ball of hot gases and dust particles. Then come the formation of star. A protostar becomes hot and produces great amount of energy and emit light. Now it is called a star like sun. The death stages start from the red giant stage. The star is releasing energy in the space, and hydrogen in the core of the sun may be used up. Its core will become denser and hotter. Sun will swell and become a red giant. Dwarf stage. Red giant will cool and gravity will make it collapse inward, and now it is called white dwarf. Eventually, the sun will burn out like black chunk of denser matter. It will emit no more light, and this stage is called black dwarf. Now come the question answers. The first question is: define the following terms. Light year. A light year is a measure of the distance that light covers in 1 year with a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. Galaxy. A galaxy is a very large group of stars, nebulae, gases, dust particles, and planets. A galaxy may contain billions of stars. Example: our solar system is the part of the Milky Way galaxy. What are the different types of galaxies? You have to draw this flowchart on the blank page. Spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, irregular galaxies. Spiral galaxies. A galaxy that has a flat disc-like shape with a bulge in the center is called spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies rotate around their axis. Elliptical galaxy. These are oval-shaped galaxies. These galaxies do not rotate around their axis. Irregular galaxies. These galaxies have no definite shape. It is very small galaxy near the Milky Way. Next question, define constellation. A constellation is a group of stars with a definite pattern or arrangement. Next question is name different type of constellation. The names of different type of constellation are as follows: Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, Leo. Describe the life cycle of the star. Life cycle is divided into two stages: birth of a star, death of a star, nebulae. Stars are born in nebulae, collect dust and gas while traveling through the space. Protostar. It is a spinning ball of hot gases and dust particles. Star. A protostar become hot and produce great amount of energy and emit light. Now it is called a sun-like star. Death of a star. Red giant. This star is releasing energy in this space. Hydrogen in this sun's core is used up. Its core will become denser and hotter. Sun will swell and become a red giant. Red giant will cool. Then comes the dwarf stage. Red giant will cool and gravity will make it collapse inward. It will become a white dwarf. Eventually, the sun will burn out like black chunk of very dense matter. This last stage is called black dwarf, where star will not emit light anymore. The life cycle of the star is on the page number 137 of the book, figure 12.12. You have to draw this figure from the book, page 137.